Welcome to Barbecue and Bolts Blazing Bonus. This is my 2000 Ford Excursion V10 4-wheel drive limited that I got for $5,500. Now 2 weeks ago, you saw our first episode, which we fixed the Excursion and its big coolant leak behind the block. Now I want to show you something that we didn't show you in episode 1. I actually put an extra piece of hose on here with a couple zip ties just to protect it from the hot manifold. And I think that was a good idea. We also routed it over this way so it wouldn't get into the fuel lines and get those hot, because that's not a good idea. Now the V10 engine came in motorhomes, it came in F250s, it came in F350s, it came in the Excursion because it's so darn heavy. The V8 and the Excursion is pretty gutless. They also put it in like moving trucks. I had an F450 moving truck when we moved up here to Seattle. It had a V10 in it. So this fix is for all of those. If you're stuck on the road and you don't want to have to spend $1,000 or $2,000 to have somebody tear apart your manifold and everything, you can do this without tearing off the manifold, and you can do it for literally the hose parts are like 30 bucks. Now, after 6 months, this has been flawless. So I don't think this is really a hack. I think this is a legitimate fix. It fixes that little tube that rusts out. Now you really have to watch it in these old Excursions. When somebody doesn't change the radiator fluid and it just gets all rusty in there, it's gonna rust that pipe out. And I think that's a design flaw with Ford. All right, so that's this episode of Blazing Bonus. Blazing Bonuses will come out in between each episode every month. Now remember, I'm gonna upload the episodes hopefully at the end of each month. And we got some really cool things coming for you in episode 2, so stay tuned and click and subscribe. Thanks a lot, see you later.